She jumped. She got so scared. That's funny. Woo! Yes, sir. Leaving work. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I got some crazy news. I did a quick little video for my boy Mike, Clutch First NY. So you'll see my I'm rocking his shirt. Just representing his channel. He does these live streams that are freaking amazing. I tell you, it's dope. If you haven't watched him, I'll throw a link down in the description so you can go ahead and check him out. Or he does his podcast every Sunday at 8 o'clock. So far he has not missed a day, which is kind of dope. He does this religiously. So that's basically it. I don't have a lot of information. I have to take a trip to Puerto Rico. I'm gonna try to squeeze out as much content as I can before I go. But there might be a week where there might not be an upload. I'll try to do a video short or something like that, just to have something come up. But you know, I like doing my weekly uploads. I don't like leaving you guys hanging. A lot of you guys actually look forward to my channel, which I'm so grateful for. I really am. You know, when I first started this channel, it was just basically just to vlog, have fun, you know, because I'd like to talk trash. I love talking trash in my helmet, so I decided, you know what, I could just vlog. When I found out I could put a microphone and don't do that. No sir, no ma'am. When I found out that I can put a microphone and a camera on my helmet, I said, oh, it's on. It is on and popping. Let's go. So that's where I'm at with that. Oh yeah, cruise control, because this part right here, there's a lot of cops. So I'm trying to take it easy. They usually like to wait in this area right here, right in this area. Some of them wait in this area too. So they like to hide their little vehicles in plain sight, where you're just riding around cruising and you don't see it, and then you're just, all of a sudden you blow past the cop and you don't realize it, and then they're right behind your ass. I'm like, oh man, that sucks. So I try to take it as easy as possible, not to go crazy. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, that is it for me. I'm just headed back home. I am right now with no actual vehicle. I know I'm gonna do tomorrow. It's supposed to like rain or something. I don't know. I probably would have to take an Uber if I don't get my vehicle tonight. So we shall see where things land. So yeah, well, that's a nice little GTI. That's something that I used to have. The black rims look great on it. This bike feels weird. After I took it into the shop, it doesn't feel the same. Something is off. I think I'm gonna have to reflash this bike. Yeah, it doesn't feel normal. It's kind of lacking power, and the power was a lot smoother back then before I brought it in. That's what we gotta do. Yeah, she's popping a lot. Like, she's running rich. So that tune is not bad. Okay. That was crazy. I hope I caught that on camera. There's a whole bird just flew right in front of my face.